Hello, everyone. Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I'm here to share my submission for the embellishment book. I don't even think that's the name of it, but we had to make do an embellishment box, and we had to make a box to house it in. Brittany, who's BBZ Crafts here on YouTube, is the one hosting the swap in the Tiffany Facebook group, Coffee Crafting. Y'all, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. I'm down to the wire. This due to be put in the mail today. Today is Friday. Uh, well, I think it's due tomorrow, but our post office, we don't have a post office that's open on a Saturday. So I am down to the wire, down to the wire filming this video at the last minute. But like I always do, it'll be in the description box below. So in keeping up with Jamie and us going back using stuff we hadn't used in a long time, I was digging and I pulled out this Dots Cuts with a View trade wind stack. This, I only used, I think, a couple of sheets on here, and this paper is from 2011. It's really old, but it's so pretty. That's what I used for today. Now, Brittany did a tutorial showing us how to make the box to house the embellishment box. So let me show you mine. I used the same pad for all three. Here is the first one that I made. Oh, let me zoom out. Y'all will see some mess, I'm sure. Here's the first one. Right here. That Grateful die cut is from the Stamps of Life. And then all the papers are from the actual paper collection. I did reinforce this drawer just right here, because this is where you pull out, and I put some tape on the top too, on top of it, to make sure that I was scared these was gonna come out. Even though I double knotted them, I just put some tape on the outside of those too, since it's on the inside, and the embellishment box goes in there. So that's one. Here's another one right here, just using the paper. Same thing. I don't know what happened to my hole punch, so I can't put any holes in this one. That's the only difference. It's crazy. I've been had the thing all this time. Now all of a sudden I can't find it, because I was getting ready to package them up. These been made, but I forgot. To I don't know why I didn't think about putting holes in them. Putting a hole into the one. I don't know why I didn't do it when I made it. Here's the last one. Like I said, I just let the paper speak for itself. And then this one pulls from the bottom. You can see what I was talking about behind it. And here's the embellishment boxes. They're all the same. We had to make 3 handmade items. So here's the first one. So she didn't want any shred or anything like that. She wanted to feel. So we have a bunch of seam binding on there, dots, binding clips, wood veneer. These are one of my handmade pieces. They can stick it on something or make like a page clip thing. This is a second one, which is a tailored expression pocket. Resin pieces that I made, some trim, clothespin to altar, and the flowers that I made as well. And then some flat back pearls, so everything would match. And oh, and I made her one too, by the way. We didn't have to make but 2, but I always make the hostess one. That's the least we can do. Hosting swaps are not easy, I know, because I've hosted them in the past. So here is second one. Like I said, everything flows as she requested. And here is the last one. So I hope my partners like what I made for them. And yeah, I'm trying to see which one is the blue. This is the blue one. And I really like this box. Brittany showed us how to make it. It's real easy. So as you can see, they just slide right on back in there. And it's ready to go. And she can pick out whichever one she wants. No preference on that one. And that is it, you guys. I will be back with another video. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.